friends, Running Kimono here. So today we are looking at the best curbside deals over at Walgreens right until Saturday, June the 8th. What curbside pickup is, you're hitting the box on the left-hand side with the red check, ordering it through the Walgreens app, and then driving to the store and picking it up. That easy. However, if you're a shopper that likes to go in store, look around, do the register rewards, you're not about digital couponing and its magic, I have a video that I made yesterday in store. I will link it at the very end. You might want to check it out. Very easy, straightforward deals. Now, this might be a tall order to find, but we have a $3 digital on the Garnier attaching to a $2.99 wipe that's on clearance. Very hard to track down as only selected stores. I only have one deal showing this, but I would try and throw it in if your store has it in stock. But I just wanted to throw that in your back pocket to do this one curbside ASAP. Deal number one. This deal is quite fantastic, and it involves these two, which is the 7 back when you spend $35 and the 10 back when you spend $35 on summer essentials. The one down below, actually both of these are of a one-time use. So if you used your 10 back when you spend $35 last week, you are out of luck for this one. Sorry, guys. So for this, we're going to be looking for 2 of the L'Oreal Collagen, this cream. And as you see the little digital coupons attaching, and then it's also part of summer if you look down below. And that's how I'm finding what is attaching with that booster. Very straightforward. We're going to throw 2 of these into a basket for $17.98 on a buy one, get one 50% off. Load the following digital coupons. We have a $5 off. I believe both of these are an only for you, but if you do a lot of my deals that I present, you probably have both of these digital coupons because both of my accounts had them, along with this $8 off. So we have $13 in digital coupons. I think you know where that's going. Then we're also going to throw in 2 of the L'Oreal Elvive shampoos for $10, and then 2 of the Pantenes also for $10. And then we have the following digital coupons that include a 3 off a 2 for the Pantene, and shampoo is also part of summer, which is really bizarre, so that's why we're going heavy with the shampoo. And then for the L'Oreal Elvive, we have a 3 off 2 Walgreens coupon, and then a 3 off a 2 manufacturer, the one down below. Get the math to balance, we're also going to throw in one of these cuties, which is a 4 count of the toilet paper, and who doesn't love this little pack of toilet paper? The overall basket, all your digital coupons coming off, along with the code WAG10. There's another one that I could not get to attach this morning. I tried everything, but struggled quite a bit. I'm thinking there's something goofy with the app at 8 o'clock in the morning. So the basket is $39.97. After the $4.10, we're still at that $35 mark. Free curbside pickup and tax, $19 melting off. You're going to pay $19 with your debit card, $19.02. Then you're getting back $17.43 with your debit card. And that's $17 for the 2 boosters, which is a little bit of magic. So if you're not factoring in the $2.15 of tax, because I know that some states the tax is a little bit different, you're basically getting your transaction for free. Why the debit card? I'm saying use your debit card because we have those 2 boosters at the front of the video. The 10 back when you spend $35 and the 7 back when you spend $35. So what a deal this is if you can line it up. Okay, so the next deal that we're looking at only involves one booster, that is this friend, the 7 back when you spend $35. So we're looking specifically for a $35 basket. So we are going to grab 2 of these Tide Pods. If you want to go a little bit cheaper, grab a Tide Pod and a Tide Liquid, priced both at $12.99. We have a $3 off of each. But this one, we have a little bit less, but say you just use Tide Pods, this is for you. We have a 3 off for the Tide Pod and another $2 off for these larger Tide Pods. I have a parent that this is how she does her laundry, so I'm trying to stock her up the next time I see her. So that's why I'm going $1 less, but something that she desperately needs. And then 2 of these ladies 20-ounce Nivea body wash. This is on a goofy promotion of buy 2 get $5 back in Walgreens cash. Plus, IBOTTA has $1.50 back for each, so you're getting $3 back. And Walgreens is one of the store. Make sure that you still have this on your IBOTTA account. This is going to go quickly because it's such a hot offer. And we're not using digital coupons, so yes, you can apply for it. Also, we're going to throw in one of these little 79-cent toilet papers to get the math to balance. So looking at the overall savings, Tide, $5 off there, and then WAG 10 is trimming off another $3.37. Okay, so our subtotal is $38.75, subtracting $3.37. You're still at that $35 mark. Free curbside pickup, tax, $5 of manufacturers melting off. With your debit card, pay $32.89. As you're using that, spend 35, get back 7. That's why we're doing that. And you're getting back $17 in Walgreens cash, 5 for Tide, 5 for Nivea, and then 7 for the booster. And then you're going to get a receipt. So you're going to have to ask the cashier to process this through a regular register, not with a handheld, so you can get a physical receipt. And then you're going to photograph your receipt for $3 back from IBOTTA, $1.50 back for each Nivea. And do not use any Walgreens cash to pay down the balance. Use your debit card only, as you're using a booster as well with this one. Let's not forget that. The next deal that we're looking at, deal number 3, we're going to go really heavy with that Nivea body wash. We're going to need our best friend loaded, which is the 7 back when you spend 35, this specific booster. Now, we're going to grab 6 of the ladies' body washes, so 6 of them, and they're on a buy one, get one, 50% off, so 6. Make sure you have this guy loaded, and you can apply for this up to 5 times. And even though the store pictured on the top part of the thumbnail there is Walmart, if you look down below, Walgreens is included, and it has to be the 20-ounce body washes. We're also going to grab one of these Garnier makeup wipes if your store might have it in stock. And then we have a $3 digital that is attaching. So make sure you have that guy loaded if you can track it down. If not, you'll have to figure something else out. And just to show you, $2.99 and then WAG 10 coming off as well. So that's our little promo code area. So the overall basket is $38.93, and we have $3.59 coming off. So you're at $35.34. So we're still at that $35 mark. And tax, $2.99 melting off. This is a larger out of pocket. You're going to pay $35.02 with your debit card, as you have the 7 back when you spend 35 booster. So you also have $15 of Nivea, buy 2 get $5 back, and then $7.50 back from IBOTTA, $1.50 back for the first 5 bottles of the Nivea body wash. So the final price point of your transaction is $2.47 for a makeup wipe and 6 of those body washes. So that's just tremendous if you can line this one up. I mean, it's just great. Final deal that we have involves no boosters. We're going to throw in 2 body washes into a cart for $11.98. The promotion for this body wash is to buy 2, get $5 back. Thus, you can actually use Walgreens cash to earn that Walgreens cash. But we're going to do this as a curbside pickup, so we can use the coupon code WAG10. So a little bit of magic there. And then this is also IBOTTA, so you're going to need a receipt from the cashier when you get this order processed for your curbside. 2 of these is $11.98, WAG 10 taking $1.20 off. So $11.67, you can use up to $10 in Walgreens cash if you wish. You're also going to get $3 back from IBOTTA when you photograph your receipt, along with the extra $5.11 back for buying 2. So the final price point for all of this is $2.78 for the 2, or $1.39 per body wash. This is not using a booster, just grabbing 2 and doing a quick little deal. And you need that receipt for IBOTTA, so you're going to have to ask the cashier very nicely to process it through a regular machine, a regular register machine, and not the handheld, so you can get your physical receipt. Good luck with this, guys, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye.